What up? What up? Good morning. Good morning, Donna. What up, DBT? BK in the house. What up? What up? Oh, man. I spent all morning trying to work on something, and I'm almost there. I'm almost there. Yo, what up? Yo, CT, I bit the bullet and I got it. I bit the bullet and I got it. What up, Marco? Yo, I swear, every time I'm in a trade while I'm setting up YouTube, I lose. Every single time. Every single time I go to set this up while I'm in something, it goes the wrong way. By the way, we finally got the dump yesterday after the market that I've been talking about. The whole afternoon. Finally got it at the end of the day. Yeah, I just figured might as well do it, CT, because I'm not getting up for London, and it'd be nice not to come back on the computer for gold. So I think that is what I'm gonna do. I'm about to turn it on right now and see if it works. Dude, it took me over an hour to get this working, by the way. Yeah, London was nice. You know what didn't happen? Me getting in there with 5 of my accounts with 4 minis. I had it set up so I had 4 minis getting in for 16 ticks. Would have played on 4 accounts and just didn't hit. Man, my fucking Ninja Trader just froze. Are you fucking shitting me? Awesome. Fucking awesome. My Ninja Trader froze. So fucking stupid. What up, Marie? Ninja Trader's frozen. Bro, I couldn't make up how much No, it didn't enter. It didn't enter. Dude, I've had more problems with Ninja Trader today than I've ever had in my life. Had a gap? Marie, you getting chopped up today? I just did right here just a little bit, but I don't know what the fuck just happened there. Oh, Ninja's opening on my other screen. I'm wondering if maybe my maybe I just got too much stuff fucking up. Yo, what up, Jim Blab? Aside from last Thursday, wait, what happened? Reached profit goal on TPT eval I got from Cove. Just yo, there you go, Jim Blab. Bro, you're gonna get a free basically it's a funded account, man. That's awesome. Dude, you're right there. You're right there. Yo, what up, bum? What up? What up? Dude, this is boom. What up, Monet? No trades yet today? I mean, I'll be honest with you, we're just kind of chopping here. It kind of feels like we're gonna go higher. But I'm definitely not in anything right now. I'm just looking. Boom, 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 boom. I'm trying to set this shit up. Once I set this up, I'll roll it out. I'll roll, I kind of throw it out there, but I'm like right there on setting this shit up. And it's just not working. That's the best. That's the best thing I could say is I am literally close to getting this going. But it's just not fucking. Yo, what up, Delco? What up, man? Good morning, Neo. Good morning, good morning. Dude, I am trying to get this going. I don't think maybe I'll just pack this up and do it during lunch. I'm playing with this thing. It should be working, but obviously it's not. I'll test it one time, and if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. You know what I'm saying? I got one more test in me before I'm just like, fuck this thing. There we go. Let's see what happens. It'll automatically trade in this account right here. So if it automatically trades in here, yo, what up, Ron? We'll see. It's supposed to trigger on the orb candle of the 1045. There's no strategy here. I'm just testing to make sure that this shit works. I was trying to set up an orb thing, and I'm just seeing if it. Yeah, I'm gonna need that pill. All right, here we go. This is the 1045 candle. Technically, it should make an orb here and then break after. Let's see what happens. I'm just watching. What up, Corey? That's interesting. It fucking bought. What up, Roger? Am I good? I'm good. Why? What's up? I was what's going on? See, I'm getting it to trigger, but it's not working correctly. It's just not working. It's supposed to break. So it's supposed to be the break of this candle. So something's wrong with the script not triggering. That is not a trigger. Yo, what up, Sean? Oh, geez. This thing's now gonna. This thing's gonna trigger a lot. It's supposed to be a trade count should be 1. Yo, what up, Ray? I've been trying this orb indicator actually, and I got it to trigger. It's just not triggering correctly. Yo, I hit this opening range trade again today for $200. It's fucking so. Yesterday I hit it for 500. Today I hit it for 200. I don't know why it's like that. I'll tell you what, anyone that's using NinjaTrader, there's some cool shit in here. Some real cool shit. What up, Vince? See, I got the orb to calculate correctly, but it's just not. Something's going on. Something strange is going on. Anyone see that Arkansas game last night? The Arkansas kid threw 19 strikeouts, first no-hitter in 65 years in the College World Series. Anybody watch that? Anybody? Yeah, Noel, the no-hitter. Yo, that was crazy. That was awesome. It was awesome. Yeah, man. He looked good. I know they're in the loser bracket. I don't think they have the hitting. I thought they would beat Murray State bigger than that, but man, yeah, he's going to the majors. He's going to be a top first round pick. He's definitely a first round pick. It's crazy. Crazy. I mean, he looked good. He was throwing 97 in the ninth inning after 115 pitches. Yeah. It was cool to watch. I watched the replay because I guess another game got rained out, so I got to watch. I got to watch that game. Yeah, Jim. I played Division I baseball. That I did. 4 years. It's funny. I saw Coastal Carolina. I pitched against Coastal Carolina. My senior year, I pitched 2 innings against Coastal. I struck out 5. True story. That was during the, when you go down south we go down south to play some preseason. Not they're games, but it's before our actual season starts. What up, Maria? Oh, they got you back in jail? They picked you up? They said you're back. Back in jail. Man, this cannot fucking break over. Just waiting. Boom, 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 boom. Man, are we in for another fucking chop day here? Are we in for another chop day? I'd be not looking for that. Not looking for a chop day. Yo, we got FOMC tomorrow. We're gonna see what happens here. Cavity search time. Jeez. I'm trying this orb thing again at 10:55. We'll see what happens. 10:55 orb. I want to get this thing to work, to be honest. Because then I could set different orbs for the day for scalping without having to be watching it. Like if I wanted to, I could set the orb to scalp, over this line or over this line for, 2 points, 3 points, whatever it is. And my fund, all these things that say PA are all funded accounts. Funded, 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 funded. So yeah, I don't know. How many funded accounts is that? 12, 14, something like that? Oh, my bad. I actually got more. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 more funded accounts. No, PG, because I've always traded. Man, this should have fucking triggered a thing. That's fucking weird. Well, I just got stopped, but this should have triggered. I think Apex has a monthly thing. I think Apex is a monthly thing that you gotta trade. But I would look at the rules. Yeah, you can't hold after close. Do not hold after close. Trade every. Yeah, I was gonna say somebody in our chat held after what was it? After 4:59. Yeah. Hey Cove, on PTP test, do you know if Thursday counts? They might count it. They might. I think they counted the last one, patient. I think they counted the last one. Pretty sure they did. I wouldn't trade TPT after like 4:30 just in case you forget. Just throwing it out there. I would not. I just wouldn't. Because sometimes you just forget that you're in. You know what I mean? Sometimes, like, I'll just forget that I'm in something and then I'll be done. With Apex, compliance letter I received said I need to send them updates every day I trade. I would just honestly, I would probably just... I would just video myself doing it, like screen record and talk while you do it, just for a little bit, and then send them it. I mean, I use Loom if you want. Loom is super easy to use. Loom. That might not be a bad idea to use. And I would just screen record for like a little bit while you make a trade, and then just that's it. Do you have to record every single trade you make? I feel like it's not every single trade. Maybe make a couple. Man, this thing's not fucking working again. Yeah, Loom is to record your screen and talk, and then you can just send them a link. Yeah. Yeah, I would just screen record. Yeah, that's your easiest, that's your best bet. Screen record. I mean, that's what I did, and then they paid me. I got paid. I'm just being honest. That's like the easiest thing to do. A quick screen record, talk while they're doing it. They just want to I'll be honest with you, they just want to make sure you're like a real fucking person. That's all it is. Like, people get so crazy about it. They just want to make sure that it's really you doing it. That's all. It's not anything else. They just want to make sure that it's like you. That's the biggest problem. I wouldn't worry about anything else, but that's what they want to make sure, that it's actually you doing it, not somebody else, not anything else. So I would just screen record. They want to make sure that you're talking like you know what you're doing also. Like, hey, I'm looking at this moving average. I'm looking at this. Like, that's all they're looking for. They're not looking for anything else to make sure that you're a real person. What up, TiVo? I think too many people are like thinking too far into it. I think they don't realize that it's just kind of, to almost like a KYC, like make sure you're fucking real. Uh-oh, from the White House. Oh, nothing. I get White House alerts from Twitter just to see what the fuck's going on. Let's see if this enters a trade. It should enter on the break. It should have entered right there. What the fuck is going on? Boom, 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 boom. Man, this is some chop. This is some fucking chop. I am just trying not to get chopped up. Dude, this shit is... Dude, this thing's fucking not working. Typical not working bullshit. Why is it so difficult to get shit to work? Like, why would my Ninja Trader just not work? Dude, I had this thing working perfectly when it was a trial, and now that I paid for it, what up, and knew it? Now that I paid for it, it's not working. I did not get screwed with Take Profit Trader outage. What happened? Oh, when the thing wasn't working? Yo, what up, Walter? Dude, yours has been acting up this morning, Sean? Oh, jeez, Corey. Yeah, well, right here, look, we're right back. I got out for $200 loss, and I'd be back even right now. Dude, that's crazy. That's crazy that they did that. Dude, I'm trying. I'm trying. It should have triggered. This shit is back not working again. It's so fucking ridiculous that this doesn't work. No, it was a lot of people. I think the whole thing went down, right? Wasn't everyone bitching that? I think it went down. Like Tradeify went down. I think Google was down, right? I think a lot of the shit was down. That was the day everything was down, right? I'm pretty sure everything went down that day. Yeah, it was a global thing. It wasn't just just wasn't you. It was fucking everybody. Yeah. Dude, that's crazy. Would they blame it on Cloudflare or something like that? I think I saw that. They blamed it on Cloudflare. Mine is really what's glitchy today? Tradeivate or Ninja Trader? Ninja Trader is what I'm having issues with right now. I don't know why. Yo, what up, Vivek? I don't know why it's so glitchy. Yeah, I don't know why it's so glitchy. Oh, what'd you hit in the morning, Methodical? I grabbed. Yeah. What up, John? Yeah, I grabbed. Yo, you should. I'll be honest with you, man. Do you trade? Do you have Ninja Trader? Um, yo, you should swing by in the Discord tonight at some point or at lunch. Yeah. This is the move I fucking wanted right here. I didn't get it right here. Now we got it. Motherfucker. Unbelievable. Yo, you know what's going to suck? Thursday and Friday is going to be probably the worst trading days that there are. Thursday and Friday are probably going to be pretty fucking bad. I would assume. Thursday, stocks are closed, options are closed, and futures close at noon. Futures close at noon, which kind of is not great. And then Friday is going to, a lot of people are going to be gone. Like anybody who's anybody is off on Friday also. There's not going to be much trading going on. Like, yeah, I don't foresee that to be, you know, I don't foresee Thursday or Friday being good trading days. Just throwing it out there. What up, Quan? Your trades, 90s? What up? What else we got here? Yo, Caveman. Dude, this is so crazy because I freaking had it. What up, Bob? Had it. Everything that could go wrong has freaking gone wrong. And I still can't get this shit to work on my computer. What up, Pete? I still can't get this thing to work. It's annoying. It's freaking so annoying right now. What up, Larry? Oh, fuck. What was this? You had to completely remove NinjaTrader and all the files reloaded to work? Mine works, but it's not working. Anyone here going to the Topstep meeting tomorrow in Chicago? Bro, I heard that some of the main guys are going to be on floor 5, men's bathroom, stall 3. There's going to be a little hole in the wall. Don't worry about it. Yeah. I am not going to Chicago for a Topstep meeting. Right? This candle was the 15 candle. All right. Like I have that working. Yo, caveman. Yo, what are they having a meeting for? You can get one of those jackets. You can get one of those jackets. Wear your hat. I don't know what they're having a meeting for. I mean, I heard at night one of those older guys that comes on, he just starts talking on the podcast and puts everybody to sleep. That's how you go to sleep. There's no sound machine. He just talks. They run one of their guys and he talks about his old days on the trading floor and he everyone just passes out. You don't even have to bring the sound machine. Don't worry about it. Yo. You want a jacket with a massive Dakota face in the back? Is that like a Target? Oh man, what up, Fred? I feel like they actually think people want that stuff. Like, yo, I want a big bomber jacket with Topstep all over it. Bro, no, I didn't see it. Ricci. Yeah. Yeah, Corey, like they're celebrities or something. I mean, they're so boring, the majority of them. There's a couple cool guys. Like I like Nick over there. I like Andre over there. You know, I like some of the guys that have some like, you know, that make me not want to just fucking bash my head against the computer. But like there's a lot of dudes over there that I'm just like, I'm like, there was some girl talking the other day. I was like, holy shit, who's watching this? Everyone just sleeping. Like I think customer service and everything is great there. I just think that the TV part needs a revamp. Boom, 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 boom. You put in. All right, I'm gonna have to look. Hold on one second. I'm trying this fucking. I'm still trying to get this thing to work. By the way, I'm still trying to get this to work. It's so stupid that this doesn't work. Oh. Let's fucking go. I honestly just don't see us like. I don't really have a bull or bear. The only bear case I have is we're back under the orb. You know, maybe I take a shot here for some downside. I'm not even in the right fucking account, obviously. Not even in the right account. Um, yeah, you know, I don't really have like a bear case where I'm like, oh, this looks bad. Like you're above the 200, you're above the 21 on the 5, you're above VWAP. Like I'm not sitting here being like, oh, this is, you know. Um, there's not even like all right, let's see. It created the orb again. It's got to get over 109. I don't know, man. I don't know. I mean, this is what the higher time frames look like. Due to news this morning, there's a massive breaker. if you want to consider that. You know, I'd probably say on the higher time frames, you're looking to go up. I would say higher time frames, you're going to go up. So technically, this should have triggered. It did not trigger. I'm curious when this candle closes if it triggers. If this candle closes and this triggers, then I got to figure out what's causing that. What up, SW? So yeah, I got the trigger now. Dude, I'm going to need all my screens to figure this out. So I'm just going to wait until lunchtime to look at this. I'm just looking at stocks. Stocks are down a little bit. I don't think anything's getting crushed. I don't think anything's absolutely getting crushed currently. Dude, I hope we're not, Sean. I hope we're not. I mean, I think that's a big fucking mistake. I think that's a big mistake, personally. I mean, these guys have been at war for fucking years. Yeah, I just feel like we should just fucking keep to our own business. I mean, work on the US debt. You know, just work on US debt right now. That's what I would work on. We're always up in there, but last night said US plane spotted above. Yeah, I feel like that's false. I feel like that's false. I don't know. It seems a little. I feel like the markets would be moving more one way or the other if that was true, Jim Blad. I feel like if we were entering something would have happened. Just seems very mute if we were getting into some type of war. Probably just UFOs. Definitely UFOs. They've been saying that they were going to have nukes since like 2002, though. So this has been going for 20 years. They've been, if you look, somebody took out all the news clippings about it, and it's been going on for like 20 years. They're 3 months away from nukes, and then it just never happens. So it's like people believe the media, but the media has been talking about this for over 20 years that they're going to have nukes in 3 months. Well, where are they from fucking 2002? I don't know. Fucking, it's the media causing it, I think. Weapons of mass destruction. Remember that one? And then there was no weapons. Yeah. That's honestly what I think it is. It's just another one of those. This better be. I hope this shit doesn't recalculate. Yeah, Wind Rider. Yep. Just to keep the people going. Got to keep the people going. That's all it's about. I'm sure their program is moving along, but I mean, they've been talking about it for 23 years. I mean, you would think by now something would have happened. Yeah, I'm tired of all the politics. I mean, I don't even I think majority of them are crooked. Boom, 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 boom. No, what is it, Sean? Is it good? Yeah. Cove, without taking a side, if a nation says they want to kill you and you know they are trying to get nukes, well, I mean, I get it. Listen, they do whatever they want. I'm just saying the US shouldn't get involved. That's all. You know? Did you ever see a video of Iran from 1978? It literally looks like you're over in the United States. No girls are dressed up in anything. Like it's like you're hanging out in the United States, and everything changed in '79. Super interesting. It was wild video I saw. I never knew that it was like that back in the day. I don't know, man. I mean, I don't know. I don't worry about things that I can't control. I can't control I can't control anything that they do. I can only control what I can do every day, which is come here and try to make money out of the market, and that's it. I can't control anything else. I don't talk about it on social media. I don't talk, all that stuff is way out of my control. I can just sit here, try to trade, make money, enjoy my friends, enjoy my family, have fun hanging out with you guys. That's it. Hey, if he makes the right call or not, I mean, that's the person we're riding with, you know? Yeah, SW, it's exactly how I feel. When people, it's exactly how I feel. Just enjoy life. I'm gonna move my stop up here, guys. If you're in this, I'm at least getting $50. Boom. Am I gonna be a greedy fuck? Bro, I'm moving my stop up. I think it's gonna at least hit 110 here. Just keep pushing it. Push it. Keep going, baby. Keep it going. Okay. Make some of that back. Oh. It's a good spot to get out. You got the top of the orb right here. You got an imbalance right here. It's a good spot to exit. I do think we are going to be in chop, so I do think I would be careful with your trades. Definitely have not only be careful with your trades, but definitely have you got to give it room. Today you got to give it room. More than anything, I would say you got to give it room today. Boom. Man. Anybody got anything good to eat for lunch? I need some, man, I'm fucking starving. I am starving today. Oh, man, my stomach is growling. Bro, Jersey Mike's is so good. You get it, what is it, Mike's Way? Bro, Mike's Way is so good. Only if you get it Mike's Way. I've never had anything else. Jersey Mike's is trash. Dude, I'm from New York, and I think I get one of those sandwiches Mike's Way, dude, with all the I don't know, the oil that they throw on that shit. The seasoning. I like it. I like it. Who knows? I don't know. What state are you in, DBT? I'm just wondering, what state are you in? You're in Utah? Um, yeah, I don't actually know. Do you guys have delis in Utah? Like, is there a deli there, or you guys don't do delis? Like in New York, we have delis. So, there's not a lot of them by me personally. Everybody goes to the local delis where you get boar's head meat. Like, it's just better over here. Better than Jersey Mike's. It's just going to the deli. But when I'm out of the state, I'll swing by a Jersey Mike's. Dakota. Why is Dakota from Utah? I will say New York is very interesting because there's good food everywhere. Because it's mostly mom and pop shops. You don't have a lot of there's not a lot of chains. People prefer to do the mom and pop over a chain. So you got to be pretty good. Dakota's a Mormon? I didn't know that. Yo, does he have like 5 wives? Does he have like 5 wives, or what's the deal? I have a pizza place here. The guy came from the Bronx, and the pizza's the best ever. They say the water makes the pizza. Because I've been other places. I mean, pizza's good. Yeah, I've eaten at La Palmer. Yeah. In Huntington? You mean Huntington, New York? I've eaten at La Palma before. Being a Mormon or a moron? Yeah. Are you from New York, patient? Yo, hold on. I got a guy here that picks up my trash. Hold on 1 second. I gotta bring it out. Hold on 1 second. I didn't put my trash out. Oh, I'm back. I'm back. Oh, man. Dakota gets a new wife every time he passes a combine. Trash guy does not open up. The trash guy does not come in. Dude, this thing didn't enter again. Dude, I saved that video of the guy that came in my fucking thing. Boom, boom, boom. Wondering if we come back down here, right here, and then bounce up. Just looking at higher time frames. There's nothing where I'm like, oh my God, I think this is going to be good. If anything, I think we're going to target right in here. Probably get up, maybe get up here today. 183-ish. Probably make our way into this order block up here is what I would maybe target for the day. Probably it's probably what I'm looking at. Whew. It's gonna sell back down. It's so funny because it looks like we're going like a big distance, but literally like this whole thing is like 20 points, 30 points. Like we're not really going anywhere. That's the craziest part is we're not going anywhere. Yo, anchored VWAP is pretty cool. Damn, they just dumped this shit. Dude, they just plow this thing. I mean, I guess I'm going to take another shot. We come back down here, right? I don't even know what to make of it. Oh, patient, you're from New York? I have a feeling you're not too far from me. But yeah, I'll head over to Huntington every once in a while. If you go to Huntington, you'd probably see me. You'll probably see me hanging around. Yeah, knocking on my door. But yeah, do you go to Huntington a lot or you just know the place? Because I go to Huntington, I don't want to say often, but I'm there at least probably once or twice a month. Ah, yeah. Yeah, no, I like it up there. I definitely like it above. I like it. They have every restaurant you could possibly want to go to over there. The bars and everything else. It's one big hangout. Yeah, what town do you go to now? If you're not going to Huntington, what town do you hang out in? Like Babylon or oh man, this fucking market is just so bad. Oh, you work at home? That's cool. Working at home is nice. I mean, obviously, I work at home. Um, I freaking love it. I love it for the most part. It does get honestly ever since I started streaming, it's much better because I get to like hang out with other people. So I'm still trying to get this thing to work because I think it would be really cool. If I can get this to work, I think it'd be really cool. Do they have legal weed in New York? People smoke weed everywhere in New York and nobody says anything about it. Like I've not seen one person get like arrested for weed. I don't even think weed's a thing anymore by me. I almost want to just take a shot here to see if they hold the top of this orb. They're not going to hold it. I mean, I guess if it comes back down, I mean, just buy in this area. That seems to be like the move. Buy in this area and then just sell up here. Man, anybody eating anything good? It's almost fucking lunchtime. Yeah, the fucking movement's so bad right now. It's so bad. Steak and eggs? Yo, what up, Hunter? Wife's signature lentil soup. Sounds pretty good. All right, I'm calling it. I'm going to get some food. If you want to support the stream, use coupon code CoveTrader below. I'm going to be in the Discord in a little bit. I'm working on this script to work. We're not really going anywhere. So I don't want to get chopped up and lose accounts. So I'm just kind of waiting. Hopefully we start getting some movement later on. But I'm going to go grab some food right now and chill out. I'll be back at 2 p.m. All right, we'll do some giveaways and whatnot. Peace.